finally getting on the road for camping. We have this huge thing, which is all of my bedding, this huge other blue thing, which is all my bedding, that blue thing, which is a tent. But mostly, I realized my car is like all bedding because I glamp like Princess in the Pea, like just like needed perfectly perfect to get my good night's sleep. I am tired, so I stopped at a farm just to walk around. Charlie's Pizza. That's so cute. We're here. Lanita. Glass.
Oh, you're eating glass. What are you, a cow? You gonna move? Oh, here's the alien. I'm just like saying.
Hello. It's so pretty.
We're here. Wait, it is really pretty.
It is so pretty.
Also, we kind of like look really good in our outfits with this. Just two Pisces.
Bedding suitcase.
Okay, excellent.
I just like a fluffy bed, and I like a fluffy bed. That's it. Glamping that I call my bedding. I have an air mattress. I have my sponge, and I unroll that, and I put that inside, and then I have another pillow that case I put on top of it. And I have I had to sacrifice my 2 pillows, so we're doing 1 pillow today.
Oh no, you only got 1 pillow?
I know, and then little duvet cover. That's what it is.
Like, this is great.
You like that?
Yeah. Because this
Okay.
is a 6-inch foam. 6-inch. That's like a 2.5, 3-inch. I made fire.
Our dinner is literally so delicious. Citronella candles coming in clutch.
How many bugs you got in yours?
2 bugs.
Do I have cookies?
I know it is.
There you are, Lady Bridgerton. We keep missing one another. Duty of a hostess, I'm afraid. Well understood.
My hair is an interesting time. Thanks. Eliza is making us our morning coffee.
Is that me?
Yes. 1 cappuccino, please.
Or over.
Okay, thank you. Delivery.
Look from the top. Really hot.
Oh, really fucking hot.
Really hot.
We're on our way to Concord.
We're going to Concord.
Nani.
Thank you for that. I get.
We're making lunch in the parking lot of the Concord State Capitol building.
We have avocado.
Sandwich time. Hi, Lonnie. Oh.
Successes.
It looks gorgeous. Potatoes in. Jigging. Jigging. Potato in.
Do you have salt and pepper?
Okay, well, the phone did not eat first on this one, guys. Maybe on Eliza's it looks a little better.
Did you do lettuce, like...
As a bite, like a
Yeah.
chip. Yeah, that's what I was talking about when I was just talking to myself. Here you go. Just for you. Take it. Take it. Come on, it's not gonna... Fine, I'll take it. If you could only just see what you made me do.
Oh, baby, that is real nice. You seeing that?
Goodbye, most beautiful campsite. You are gorgeous and I love you. It was so good.